Alright, so this is my new camcorder. For the most part, I've been using iPhones, iPod Touches, and my LG phone, which I'm currently using to record this video with, for all my videos on YouTube. Now, I've been wanting a camcorder for a long time, a proper camcorder. I have my DSLR, which does good video, but it doesn't do active autofocusing. So, after I went to my local anime convention, and recorded a full and recorded Kazai's concert full, and I went home and I realized that the audio that I recorded from my phone is, well, unfortunately garbage. I finally decided, okay, for my birthday this year, I'm going to ask for a camera. And we somehow managed to order me a fairly competent camera. This is a open box camera we got off BestBuy.com for like $434 instead of the $500 to $600 that this thing costs brand new. This thing is supposed to be in excellent condition, excluding the box and whatnot. So, with my rambling done, let's just open this thing up and show what's inside it. I'm going to try and keep this unboxing under 5 minutes, but let's see how it goes. I have no idea why people like these unboxings in the first place. So right here is the actual camera itself. Let's see. Someone that repackaged this thing didn't repackage everything proper, so go figure. Okay, there's the micro USB to USB, so I can transfer video files to them from the camera and whatnot. Here's the cold shoe, which I'm actually going to use because I'm going to actually get myself an actual dedicated mic for this camera of mine. I don't know when I'm going to do that. Here is the wall wart with the charger plug. The way this thing charges is definitely unique. I think I might want to try and get myself a dedicated wall wart charger so I can just wall wart charge the battery instead of having to use this ugly contraption. And of course, in here is the manual, which has a little bit of stainage from the person that originally returned this thing. And of course, he kept the battery in there without actually removing the battery. Basically, the way this thing charges, it basically charges through this little cable here, and that basically like so. For what is practically a $500 camera, this thing charges up very janky. So I want to get a dedicated wall wart charger for the battery. And of course, this is where the SD card goes. The lens is in perfect condition, thank God. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video. I mean, I can easily keep this video under 5 minutes. So, the only other thing I want to say is that I got this little card right here literally a few days ago, knowing that I'll be getting this thing. So I'm pretty much good to go now. So that's pretty much it for this unboxing. I mean, what else is there to talk about? It's a camera. So once I figure this thing out, this will be where I'll be recording my videos for now on.